Ramadan kole urundo barkinani wata ye bundo wantane ninsenani Ramadan kole
urundo barkinani wata ye bundu wantane ninsenani
tauna dondo hikkayotin nonani adomai deju hainde no hewtanani adomai deju hainde no hewtanani
Ramadan kole urundo barkinani wata ye bundu wantane ninsenani
hewi tauna be ko yawtinani hibe hora nyalorma be nafanani kono hikkata wali be
assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakatuh baɗigol melɓe juuɓerola ani molmin be yalon koye nata ɓe vision development foundation bi a ketañe contanotin ñaton ko to yala min keɗa mamadou to daɓoti pour kal mumi o be welcome kotake pour alena vision development na office o to Church's Town yo komi aldaltaji la ñaame vision development foundation ni munna adoleti sunkaro kono kabirala commencé de la fokata ka ban nka sukurole cika ka di molla mol milialo mo kunkilin nallemu anin kafolu anin satewolu anin jamangolu milialo ko be nyim banko dula mumi o bela yo bidum nga a commencé nu kafole la miliale be satewol kono anin jamangolu yo bari bi mbita kan security institutional leto wole mu sojar kafolu anin polisolu anin immigration la molu anin prison la molu kata fire service anin service kotongol miliale be banko ka because nyimu adole ti miya lonko ay sanji jama sile nka nyinkele nka molu kumandi ke makoy bari ngalon ko sunkaro na fami mbala wole mu ka balafa nyoye anin ka nyo makoy to wala kendi nan na ke bañi ayaje ko kuma bijele pour ka sojarol o uniforme tiol fana jube pour que kumandi e fanal sinanu nyamen na isi dadundi e nyim muna fangot so bi nin kumu mbe nyaayo le jijam yo komi taymo tata bi kafol min ya lon ko wolle be muna fanna jang abitala le fo kafu tansaba anin worowula anin be boto men di la jang abitala le fo boto wuli fula keme lulu anin muani lulu bari nyil bebe 10 kilos sukurol le konola be wolle di la jang okay. On behalf of Vision Development Foundation, the chairman, the board members, and our able CEO, Mr. Mamadou Turodabo, I wish to take this opportunity to welcome all the beneficiaries to our head office here at Church's Town. As we said earlier on, this is part of our annual gift that our CEO, Mr. Dabo, normally earmark for various institutions, organizations, women groups, mosques, and other institutions. And this year also, that's the same foot we have followed. We've invited some women groups before, and this is our third phase of the presentation. Today, we have welcomed all the security institutions to come here and witness this presentation. And the institutions numbering 37 will go home. Some will go from 300 bags, 350, 500, 200, 100, irrespective of the group. So the message from our CEO, Mr. Mamadou Turodabo, is this. This is a gesture that he has always been doing, and he wishes to continue doing it. And he hopes those that are benefiting from this are also appreciating it. And we wish for you guys to extend your prayers at all the time to him. This is the major objective. And our objective in sharing and caring will also continue. So we want also you to do justice to this gift. When you go, please, we're appealing to all heads and those that are receiving on behalf of the other people who cannot be here. When you go, please, make sure it is properly utilized, shared, and if anyone can have a cup, that's what we appreciate most. Because that's our major objective in inviting you to come here, witness our presentation, and inshallah this presentation will continue. So the benefiting institutions, we will call them one at a time, but the number of bags that we are giving out today is 2,525 bags in 10 kilos. That's what we will be giving out to various institutions. The institutions that will benefit, they are as follows. We have Yundum Barracks, We have Yundum Barracks, 150 10-kilo bags. We have Fajara Barracks, we have 150 10-kilo bags. We have Gambia Navy, we have 100 bags. We have Defense Head Office, we have 150 bags. We have Joint Service Headquarters, we have 150 bags. We have Basse Military Camp, Barracks, we have 150 bags. We have Farafenye Military Barracks, we have 150 bags. We have Mobile Traffic Unit, 50 bags. We have Bundum Police, 40 bags. We have Bohol Police, 20 bags. Serakunda Police, 45 bags. Talindim Police, 20 bags. We have Bakau Police, 23 bags. We have Kairaba Police, 75 bags. We have Brikama, 70 bags. We have Fajikunda, 10 bags in 10 kilos. We have Kotu, 20 bags. We have Welingara Police, 40 bags. We have Anti-Crime, 250 bags. We have Kanifim Police Station, 20 bags. We have Gambia Precinct Services, 150 bags. We have Fire Service, 100 bags. We have Immigration Department, 150 bags. We have Farato Police Station, 29 bags. We have Brikama Salandingto Police Post, 20 bags. We have Nawek Head Office, we have 60 bags. We have Nawek Water Tank Serakunda Jame, care of Jame, 20 bags. We have Gambia Printing, 50 bags. We have iAfrica TV, 30 bags. GRTS, 50 bags. Pander, 5 bags. Gamtel, 25 bags. Mr. Mbai, 3 bags. Mr. Lai, 3 bags. Ma, 3 bags. And we have other vulnerable group, 100 bags. Totaling to 2,525 bags. That's what we are coming to distribute to various institutions. So without wasting time, we would want some of your representatives or selected representatives to come and have some words with the media houses while the presentation proper continues.
Inspector Sise of Anti-Crime. We are here to receive a gift, Ramadan gift from the foundation, Vision Development. And then we thank the donors for their foresight to help the needy. And then we are also thankful to the Almighty Allah for giving us the strength. We thank Modu and then his team for their foresight. As we are in the Ramadan, we are appealing to other philanthropists to emulate Vision Development. We thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ko Fulbe TV ndaraɓe Fulbe TV ko minen garani on ɗo neɗɗo gandaɗo e nder leydi mi electro dabo addi waɗaymi ɓe supply gila e polisaɓe ha e mintere ɓe ha e yimɓe nden noon ala ko mbattere jaɗen ɗo e oɗo mo gandanɗa kala mawɗo mo tawɗen ɗo tawa e ɓe gandanta gari ma tawede e o hokkira ɗo o programme ko nden noon on jarama. Hello viewers, we are watching at Fulbe TV. This is live at Churchistown. We are Mr. Honde Dabo giving out the charity of rice, sugar to civil servant and citizen as well. Now we are here, one of our uncle who is also, we found him here. Sir, good evening.
Good evening, how are you? I'm Adama Jeng, the board vice chair of the board of directors for VDF. That's Vision Development Foundation. That's the organization Modu through heads and funds. In fact, the entire operations for over 10 years, he has been funding it, just gratis. But this is Ramadan. There are other interventions that Modu is funding. Road construction, health, the hospitals, and what have you, the police, everybody is supported. He provides support. It's out of his own will. He inherited this from his father. Through Dabo, everybody had him, his father. So he took over and then really went ahead and increased the thing. Yeah.
So for how long this initiative has started in the Gambia?
Well, in the Gambia, I may not know, but for Vision Development Foundation, that's Modu Throws, is more than 10, 15 years. 15 years, because he's been doing that every year. And then it starts from day one up to the last day. You see, here today, these are the institutions, the military institutions, security institutions. But behind there, if you look, you have women. Over hundreds and hundreds of women who come here every day, from day one almost up to the end of the fast month, to get their iftar, to get bread, sugar, tea, and what have you. Yeah.
I'm seeing here if the rice being labeled by, is it donated by Moltro Davo? Is that is the foundation they have been initiated for just to support the Gambia alone, or it is all other area of the country?
It's good you have asked this question, because for today we are in the Gambia, he's doing it. But across the Casamas, even the Guinea-Bissau, he does other programs, not only giving food, roads, as I said, mosques, health centers, practically even the, sorry to say even, but the churches, they also benefit when Christmas time, they also benefit just like the Muslims, because VDF and Modu, we are kind of religious, we are all Islamic, but we include other religions also, yes. The fund goes to benefit also the physically challenged. You would have seen them here, I'm sure, if you come. They are also being treated equally like everybody else.
But when I came here, I found here, as you said, the servicemen like the military and the police. So all of them have been given. Now, what next after the police and the service have get their share? Who are the ones going to supply again? And then for how long is going to be continued?
It will take that time, because probably the next giving will be the media people. The GRCS even is benefiting, but other media also will benefit. You see, since he started this year alone, over 20 mosques came and they also took. But for today, it is basically dedicated to the security forces. All categories of security forces are benefiting. You can see the first truck went with how many hundreds of bags, and now another truck will soon come. All this is to make sure that they help. But what we are appealing, and I'm sure Modu will tell you, is that distribution. Once officers collect this, we want it to be distributed. Let it reach everybody. Yeah, basically that is what we really want to do.
So do you know how many bags are given to each of the institutions in the country, like the police or the army?
Okay, the various, they are not equal. Some have 250 bags, some 150, depending on the size, estimated size of the services. Some are getting 250. But today, we are distributing 2,525 bags. To this, basically the security forces. Yes. Although you have media, GRCS, and so on, and some few, individuals who he thinks are really in need.
Is it an everyday process or just for every, week?
No. Now with this donation, like these major things, let's say for this week, we did one on Monday, on Wednesday, on Friday. It's not every day. The everyday one is these women you are seeing there. For that one is every day until the end of the month. And in fact, towards the end of the month, we have, Kitim. On that day, everybody will go with a full chicken and then other items, And then if it is towards the end, bulls are also given. So the amount of gifts are various, But basically, they go to make sure that everybody is supported now.
So finally, thank you very much for accepting our interview. So what do you want to say to the public? And this is Fulbe TV. It is an online TV initiated in the Gambia last year, May, around March. Now we are almost 1 year now. What you can tell our viewers, like what we don't discuss about the molecule?
I think first of all, we have to congratulate you for, setting up, for establishing this online TV. The more we have media outlets, the better. Because other people will also soon copy Modo. There are many other people who have more money than Modo, and they can do much more, you see. But to encourage them, your role is very critical. We are very happy that you have come. Last year we didn't see you. I don't know what happened. Maybe you established a year ago.
No, we are not notified. Just today we heard of it, and then now we have to go and for
Please
this is a national interest. That's why
so.
we endeavor to come and attend the program.
Please do so. We want you to continue doing that. Is it Fulbe TV?
Yeah, Fulbe TV. Yeah.
Please continue that so that we can call other people, because it's not only safe to rely on one source like Modu. We want many other modus, Yeah, that's right. So thank you very much. We pray for your TV to, in the name of this Ramadan, for it to go to higher heights. Thank you very much. We are great.
Inimbara.
Okay, ngetere janne fana ma beta janne munde be seyri jang.
Mune be siteri nja. Dawla do ko wala be siteri nja. Ala misimolu hino. Jama be jikirin be nyabe loraka. Wala embe sabuja. Ala kan kilaka sun karo barkoto. Jula kelem. Dabo jula sanka jamboro min nani kato minna. Jula kel sin kudalandini. Ni mama ke buka sila jalile. Afawanya. Ay menketa faya ka mama yaka.
Comme ni a folota ala mama yala janni ati ba fakala. Ade fam boda min tole yalla abondula.
Abodula. Wuli koto. Wuli koto. Ha. Base wuli koto. Ha.
Bari say ni ko mo tro daw Gambia be ya lonne. Biga min fe kan. Say kawi na janne imaje ngobe jama bi fono alfana na janne fu kamano ta ban walla aka albide aka fin so go.
Ha bila mun tenata. Bi nata aja ko nyako dabo be skurdiyo ni mandiyo. E ko nyi jalmus ke bay fanata. Katu kay ke balon. Ko dabo e ke balo. E fanata ma beje fi sila sintera mata. Ko bismillah betala. Ko ndan ko tole fanamude. Jula kele fanam koromagol ni dabo. Dan ko tole bente. Oto ay kayro kayra kay. Intel ban huma. Ala kani ki. Ay gambi ay ko kombo banko ka. Ay hino sota bele. Ay bala fo sota bele. Bisilmol ba tentula. Iba jayi. Ala kola anin kila. Dunia bebe jikira tele. Kat ko ni sun karo nat. Nema karolo. Asi sukrodi, asi manodi, asi siseodi, asi murodi, asi himbe tala moltema. Mune wasabu. Akabara ko ni ani ala yomal qiyam. Abala yomal qiyam sanka.
Abarka wake hajoni mi andino ko Fulbe TV mon don darde don hajo e modiro e modo goddo ngandanta e tawa e organisation walla peccobe affaire maro kon do mawdo a jarama
on jarama
inde
min ko mi woni Seku Fofana PRO Vision Development Foundation.
Mr Fofana mi ngayda mi tawima do yimbe le kewi do machallah okkire don ko dum sababu kewgol do yimbe be do gargol dum hande
on jarama e weltike hande do ko menen woni Vision Development Foundation ye kadi ka programme amen toujours men wada invite yimbe woni ka organisation across the country. So hande kadi men wadi invite security forces yobe ardo because every year men jonne be do sukur ye malo ye nebbam pour kulle korka on sumayon hande ko dun taki ka inde mawdo amen Mr Mamadou Touro Dabo men noddi service unit on fof yobe ardo men hebi do 2525 bag ye woni ka 10 kilo ko dum men wadi distribute hande sukar ko 37 institution ko dum be hebi no ton wobe be hebi 300 bags some be hebi 100 bags some be hebi 150 bags wa hande ko dum men wadi do.
Okay, Mr. Mados mi andi han joni o foundation mo don ko tuma fudda wala ko mo sinci o foundation
foundation no joni o boyike because 2006 min wadimo register officially kono odo ko Mr Mamadou Touro Dabo sankimo kadi ko makko jettata kalis makko natumo ka dépenser foundation o jele men fuddimo toujours every year ko odo men watta men jonne sukur men jonne maro e nebbam ya kadi men jonnay mbaali ye nagge e community kala wondo juma kala wondo men jonne be fof sukare malo da
jono kalum no balum do der leydi e fof walla ko der kombo tan
no odo joni ko lewdu o fof men yata joni division wonno do o region wonno be fof be hebay dun joni kay men wadi ko ba do e koyna ye fatoto kala region a yahno men jonne be do fof ya kadi menen ka golle am do politique wona ton menen komi NGO min daaray tun yimɓe ɓe andeda ɓe heɓani ɗon doole on tuma min jonna e ɓeeɗo ko ɗum tun min watta ɗo
joni hoɗum toriɗa Gambia ɓe gandanta woodi Gambia ɓe gandanta ɓe keeɓi ngallu ko gandanta mawɗum ɗo wadde ɓe mbaɗani hoɗum mbaɗa men kayen kala ɓe wadde fi ngabbo mbaɗa imminate o ministre Touro Dabo ko woni wadde leydi he ko
awa joni andi o golle ko minen fuɗɗimo Gambia ɗo awa joni toujours komin haalta ko ɗum woni philanthropisme woni andeda yimɓe ɓuune ɗo ɓe heeɓi kalis kono on toujours komin haalta ko ɗum woni kala ɓe kala heɓuno on tuma waɗay mo chea e nebo ma andida ɗum heɓani doole yo toujours ko ɗum min watta appel dal kala yimɓe andida ka Gambian sa heeɓi doole o on tuma aray an kadi waɗu ka foti waɗude o ndaaru society goto o community goto an kadi yawton wallu ɓeeɗo because suuma e o fof kala won ton ko ɗum woni ko heeɓi important o eyyi kala heɓuno waɗumo share e community o on tuma fof weltay eyyi ko ɗum woni objectif amen
nden noon a jarama hono noon kadi gila puɗɗon ɗum oɗon mbaɗa on tintina média o kulle ara yiya yimɓeɓe fof aduna fof yiya ko bonno wonde ko ha mo andano kadi anda walla pala wadde kadi waɗa ɗum ha leydi ndi fof heɓa hen nafoore noon média o noon kana oɗon mbowi hen naddude média o
eyyi média toujours ɓe wona e ɗo ɓe aray minen kamen ɗo kadi min heeɓino website toujours kala min waɗɗo ɗo min waɗaymo post ka website amen min heeɓi Facebook kadi min nataymo toon toujours GRTS ɓe aray ɗo waɗi kooba private media houses kadi ɓe aray Star TV no kala wonno ɗo Kings TV FM ɓe fof ɓe ɗo ɓe aray ɓe waɗaymo cover because oɗo ko programme andida no waɗi important trop so ko ɗum taki min ñaagay kala embaɗaɗa la heeɓi doole waɗu an kadi yaltu e hoore ma waɗu foundation ma waɗu ka foti waɗde ɗum dumanay ɗum welta e dal inchallah on jarama
min tawi ɗo e Modi Touro Dabo organisation mo gandanta hokkita ɗo sadaka e suumayo ha joni oɗo koni kokki oɗon so sista nane
jammare ka
ok fakkanila fini yange joxe T-Bag si organise li moom kañ moo ko organise ak kañ na start
li yagana bem commencé maa ngi gërëm oncle Modou di ko santa di naan liggéey bu rafet bu mu nekk di def nii yàgg na ci nekkut ne tey la ko commencé te boo gisee ñun en tant que man councilor la nominated councilor for women and children may ñëw di ci jàppa dama gis ne doomi réew bu baax suy def dara foog ngeen génn yéen tamit ngeen jàppale loxom oncle Modou foundation am bii nii dafa gis ne dëkk bi xoolal man every year dama fi dee ñëw wante dis year lu ma fi gis macha allah dama gis ne dëkk bi ñaakaang fi ndool mu ngi fi tax na maa si oncle Modou yu jóg taka seen ndiga pour jàppale doomi réew yi kon na doomi réew yu baax yëpp ñu am nañ mel ni Modou Touro Dabo mu ngi try foundation bi lu nekk la nekk di def pour naka la man nu ma taxawee fii maa ngi gis ne ñu bari ñu fi nekk ay jigéen lañ te en tant que councilor jigéen ma ne bàyyi ma jóg taka suma ndiga aw ma pour joxe xaalis aw ma wante am naa doole pour ñëw jàppale ko nga gis ne lu moo joxee nii yàlla jàppa si ñun ñëpp ñu am ci tiyaabo gis nga jigéen yi maa ngi gis jigéen yaa ngi muuru seen kanam ndik du seen sago ñaaka baa bari si dëkk bi ndóol baa bari si dëkk bi kon foog gaay ut lu ñoo jox seen njaboot yi kon suñ jógee pour jox seen njaboot yi jigéen ruus naa taxaw ne dama ñaan pour dem joxe wante bañ déggee ne foundation bi mu ngi am foog ñu ñëw fii pour seen doom yi mun a am ndogu kon ñu ngi ne Vision Foundation bi with Modou Touro Dabo ñu ngi leen ne jërëjëf gàcce ngaalaama doomi réew yi kontaan nañ na nguur bi tamit gestu bii ne
loolu laa bëggoon a ñëwee sax xam nga lii moom doomi Gambien la mu ngi koo def am na ñu xam ne tamit yàlla may nañ leen alal te mënuñ koo def li wax si ñooñu tamit
waaw nañ ama doomi Gambien la te mu ngi koo def na doomi Gambien ñu am alal ñëpp tray ñu def nu mel ni Modou gis nga nguur gi suñu gestoo luy am ni waxuma ne fii du daan am nit wante ëppa nii loolu bariwut wante comme nguur bi na gestu ne doomi Gambien yi ñu ngi soona lii yëpp ndool baa ko waral te borom alal yi tamit nañ gestu baadoole nañ gestu ñun ñu amut nga gis ne ñun ñëpp ñu gis si suñ boppa wante yow nga am tey nekkuloo di ko joxe nguur bi am te moo ñu ilif kenn nekkul di joxe kon maa si oncle Modou suñ jógee pour taka seen diga pour jox doomi réew mi ndogu kon macha allah dafa gën a yokku wante du wàññeeku.
moom si boppam sax pour garal sa kàddu man wax naa ko pour ma interview ko mu ne moom daf koo def teel a tax te bëggu moom mu feeñ fa loolu moo tax mu ne moom du dee wax ak journaliste
moo tax mu ngi def lii te nekkut ne maam moom di si yàlla yaaga na may ñëw di si jàppa di ko jàppale si lu moo def ne ndi xam na ne nit suy def lu baax foog nga jóg taka sandika nga jàppale ko kon jàppale boobu noonu ñëpp dañ koo def te yàlla tan nit moom yàlla la cee ut kon su cee ut yàlla ñun tamit ñu ñëw ñu jàppal loxoom pour ñun ñëpp ñu am benn yàlla.
lii moom daf ko def bés bu nekk fii.
waa bés bu nekk def koo def at bu nekk def koo def pour lan dimbale doomi réew yi mu xam ne Gambian la foog mu ñëw jàppale Gambian yi waaw.
jërëjëf.
ok jërëjëf.
Assalamu alaikum everyone here. My name is Ramatulai Sanya, an art lecturer at the Gambia College and also the chairperson of the arts exhibitions. Last month, 29th of February, we hold an exhibition at the Gambia College grounds. Okay, and so we are here in compliment of the arts exhibitions. You can see some of them are here, the executive and also the art students. And part of the exhibitions, we are also visiting our guests of honors and giving the presentations of some artworks. Mr. Dabo has been doing a lot for the Gambia College. Okay, so like in that, and he's also part of our guest of honors, though he could not make it on the day, so we decided to meet him and present what we have here. The exhibitions aimed was like to give the platform to the students to express themselves and also showcase their talent, creativity and skills. And we also aim to gather funds and establish an art gallery, okay, and other materials needed for the art students to help in teachings and learnings of the creativity. Okay, so that's why we are here today. We have a presentation for him. Like he has been doing a lot for the youths and to the college alone and also. And we hope that something will come out of it at the end of the day. It will be a great thing for us. Thank you so much.
Good evening to everyone here. My name is Matis Bas, the communication officer for the exhibition that has taken place on the 29th of February. The sole aim of this exhibition is to create that avenue for the students of the Gambia College under the art department to showcase their talents on different arts works. So Turo Dabo was among the guests of honors invited, but due to one or two reasons, he was not able to surface out. So today we are here to present some of the artworks we have made for him. We are so delighted to be here today. For me, I'm just here for the first time. I've been hearing his name, and today is the first time of being here, and also maybe to see him later. So we are so happy. Here are my colleagues too. They are also art students. As you can see, t-shirts on them. Looking at the theme of the exhibition, changing the narratives of art. Most of us Gambians, we see art as drawing and painting alone. But if you come to the Gambia College, that narrative has been changed. It's not only merely drawing and painting, but it has gone beyond drawing and painting. So we want to create an art gallery for the works of art students to be preserved. Not only art, but any archive of the Gambia College will be kept for history to be remembered. Okay, so that is the purpose of the art students working towards establishing an art gallery. So we are here to seek for any help from Mr. Turo Dabo. If he has anything to help us with, pertaining towards the establishment of the art gallery in the Gambia College, we will be so appreciative. So thank you all. The media's here. We're all happy to see you all here. We all thank you.
Organizers of the art exhibition at the Gambia College, the chairperson, the lecturers, the students, and all the other representatives, we thank you for acknowledging the hard work of our CEO, Mr. Mamadou Dabo. And as your speaker has said, Mamadou Dabo is a national symbol, and he has done a lot in all sectors, especially at the Gambia College, because when you look at your structures and your IT department, Mr. Dabo has contributed so much in ensuring that information communication, is available. And if your committee has done justice to that justification by saying that Mr. Mamadou Dabo is a true son of the Gambia, and you've chosen him to come and add value to what he has already been known for, we definitely acknowledge that move, and we know we are with you at the Gambia College, but this will also, add value to our relationship, because already there is a existing relationship between Gambia College and Vision Development. So on behalf of our CEO, Mr. Mamadou Dabo, we thank you for coming, and we will continue to remember you through your arts communication, and I will also hope that in one day possible, we will have a lot to share with your department, and if possible, we'll pay a visit to your gallery and see whatsoever together we can do as a team and as a young Gambia. So we thank you on behalf of Mr. Mamadou Dabo. We thank you so much. We are grateful. Yeah. So let me call him to come.
That has a tour of the masjid. We also have this. These are all our students' work. Okay, like everything is done by the students. I just wish we were there on we still have some work we display. Yeah. Or like since because of time, these are all works done by our students. Even this gift bag was done by the students.
This one?
Yes. We have a lot there because we cannot bring all, so we just decided to bring along this to show appreciation. And also, as she mentioned, like we have a lot needed. We have a lot of talent at the college, a lot. But like we really need the support when it comes to that. Like an art gallery, having an art gallery will really help us to protect our products and also to preserve them. So in that case, anybody that comes will learn. Even students outside can also visit and learn, especially the external examination candidates. Okay, it was really so great having this exhibition, because I invited, most of them are not even majoring arts, but because of they are skillful, so I was just able to open doors for them. So it's like a learning point. Everyone learns. So the exhibition was just so fantastic. But like we still need that support where we can have the art gallery and like other facilities that will help the students in learning for the teaching of creativity. We have a lot of creative youths at the college. So in that we really appreciate amongst us. Yes. That will be the last one.
What is this?
This one is just a wall hanger.
This is a wall hanger?
Yes, a wall hanger. You just hang it. So like this one.
I think I will use this by myself.
Oh, we have others, but they are big ones. Like they cannot. Just as a sample. But like I'm very sure if you visit, you will meet so amazing. This one you're going to unfold it yourself.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I think it's a big surprise. Huh? Mr. Fulbe.
I can help you.
Mr. Fulbe. Yes, sir. Big surprise.
We really appreciate. We've seen what you have been doing for the college. So to be honest, it's not. And we thank you for giving us the platform to have. So you give it to him to remove it.
Mr. Fulbe, the surprise is coming. Wow! Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Fulbe.
Yes, sir.
This is a portrait of him.
So you do it by yourself?
Yeah, he's a student.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's a student.
Okay.
It's done by Seni Poli. He's also our former students.
Yeah,
so
great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So what you will do now, you have to write us.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that, inshallah.
You said you have a lot of projects.
Yeah, we have.
Can you share what your project is?
I'll do that. I'll totally do that. I'll totally do that. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, it breaks. Yeah, this break.
Oh, we are grateful.
Yeah.
We thank you so much.
Thank you. Please. Why don't you come here?
Dafa yàgg ci lii Uncle Turo Dabo rek dafa yàgg ci lii ma ne ko di fi deewaan suñ ndogu yëpp ci loxoom la nekk
Ramadan kole urundo barkinani wata ye bundo wantane ninsenani
Ramadan kole urundo barkinani wata ye bundu wantane ninsenani
tauna dondo hikkayotin nonani adomaide juhainde no hewtanani adomaide juhainde no hewtanani
Ramadan kole urundu barkinani wata ye bundu wantane ninsenani
hewi tauna be ko yawtinani hibe hora nyalor mabe nafanani kono hikkata wali be urinani sabuleydi modino be ballinani sabuleydi modino be ballinani
Ramadan kole urundu barkinani wata ye bundu wantane ninsenani
Allahu no manti oburninani dulewru e dow ɗin leppinani ko e nder ndujo man fuɗɗinani jippinde qur'ana hiwaɗonani